ang host, vaccinated. Okay. Please forward. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 gorgeous ladies. Okay, the gentlemen, stand by mo kay you're up to next. Okay, at this segment is ang atong gitawag na throwing of the bouquet flower. So, magkalikod si Ma'am Bride. Okay, so malingkamot dito, this is bouquet throwing with a twist. Okay, sino kayo ang ating maging big winner? Tonight, okay. So, ma'am, 1, 2, 3, throw! Ay, wala gusto mo na ako? Grabe ka mong kanitiba ng mga dalaga. Okay, syempre, ang makatamo, somehow safe. So, ang makatamo, in nature. Okay. Mark yourself safe. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. 1. Next. 1, 2, 3, throw! Okay, next. Sit down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, throw! Okay, dito kaya. 1, 2, 3, throw! Okay, sis.
Bye! Bye with trap, bye with trap.
Okay. Then, hindi na lang mo there.
Bye! Bye!
1, 2, 3, throw! Okay, 5. O, baka lang sila. Throw! Tulo na lang sila. 1, 2, 3, throw! Last 2 women standing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, throw! Okay. Okay. Ay, ma'am. Chika Saka, what's your name po? How old are you? 26. Single? Double? Ay, mo. Have your attractive here. Okay? So, Miss Bride, o sa ganyang bouquet throwing with a twist. And our lucky winner is 7. Kinsa man tong ika-7 nga nakatamo. Okay, you are our winner, girl.